All right, everyone. Welcome back to my little part of the universe. I'm Ron, and this is Beer Guy Workshop. In today's video, I got my hand on something I've been really wanting to get my hands on, and it's a live edge slab. So I had to really kind of rack my brains and kind of figure out really what I was going to do with it. I didn't really want to do anything that was typical, as you see, run of the mill, everyday woodworker. So I did some research and decided I'm going to make a wall clock out of it. So this build will be a live edge slab wall clock. Like I said before, I really want to get my hands on a slab. She's a beauty, and the day has come. So, as you can tell by the, other me over here, with this build, I probably disrupted the time-space continuum or something like that. So let's jump right into it. See if we can prepare this other me thing going on over here. And without further ado, without wasting any time, let's jump right into it.
You win. Perfect.
All right, everyone. You made it to the end. I made it to the end, so, I call it a win. Project was a little, maybe you couldn't tell in the video, but some things were, a little touch and go. But what is it in life? Gotta just, strive forward, stay committed, see it to the end. No matter what happens, it's a learning experience. But I'm glad this was a success, and it turned out, beyond my expectations. I'll say that, to say the least. So, as you can tell, the other me is gone. So I guess by finishing the project, seeing it to its entirety, that repaired the timeline or something like that. I think I repaired the time-space continuum. So he's where he belongs, and I'm here with you guys where I belong. So hope you got something out of it. Hope it was informative, instructional, inspirational, even. You never know. To get you started on whatever endeavor you may be aspiring to get into. So, without further ado, I don't like to do all the jibber jabber. Yeah, man, stay safe out there. And, I'll catch you on the flip flop. Peace. Ron signing off. I'm out.
Every day's your time. You climb, you grow, you fall, get back up, ask for more. Got a long way to go, scenic route sound fine. Head hanging out the window every time you take a drive. Gotta soak up all this life like